What's going on, everyone? Scott here, and in this week's video, we're going to be discussing how you can start your own Amazon FBA business as a side hustle. But before we do that, show your support for the channel by hitting that subscribe button. And while you're there, push the notification bell so you're the first to know when I post a new video about FBA every Tuesday. You may have seen some other YouTubers talking about financial freedom and the opportunity that Amazon FBA can give you to quit your day job and get away from the grind. That may be some people's goal, to replace their current income with an Amazon FBA business, but that isn't necessarily the goal of all people who want to get into this industry. Take me, for instance. I currently have a day job that I don't plan on quitting. I don't plan on using Amazon FBA to replace that income. I'm using Amazon FBA to supplement that income. I want my side business to be on top of my current day job. Don't get me wrong, you can definitely do this business as a side hustle, but you need to make certain sacrifices to be successful. For instance, you may hear some people describe this as passive income, and that may lead you to believe that this is completely hands-off, you set it and forget it, which is absolutely not the case. You need to be very active in your business, and that requires a lot of time. If you don't currently have the time, you need to find the time. If you want to be successful with Amazon FBA, you have to give it the attention it requires. So my biggest piece of advice if you want to start an Amazon FBA business as a side income is to spend at least 1 hour per day working on your business. If you can spend even more time every day on your business, you'll move even quicker. So do yourself a favor and commit to being successful in Amazon FBA and put aside the time so you can work on your business. Having said that, not all of us have a ton of time available to work on our businesses, so the time we do make for it, we need to be efficient with that time. You need to make the most of that time and use it to the best of your ability. And to do that, I'm going to recommend you use one of Helium 10's new tools. If you're a current Helium 10 user, you may already be familiar with Alerts. What Alerts does is it tracks your products and sees what changes are made to your listing. For instance, one of Helium 10's own products had the dimensions changed by Amazon, which put them into a different shipping category, charging them a bigger Amazon FBA fee. This may have gone unnoticed had it not been for the Alerts tool, which told them about the change. They went and investigated, realized the dimensions were wrong, and notified Amazon. Amazon then corrected the dimensions and refunded them the difference of the money that they charged them. So as you can see, this can save you a ton of time just looking at your own products. However, there's a lot more to running a business than just looking at your own products. You also need to keep an eye on your competitors and the market. And that's why Helium 10 has recently introduced Market Alerts. How this works is you enter up to 5 keyword phrases that represent your market. You can then even refine that search by identifying certain ASINs to identify your exact niche. What Market Alerts will then do is it keeps track of all the ASINs in your market and sends you daily updates about price changes, photo changes, new competitors into the market so that you can keep on top of your market. This is invaluable information as it will help you position your listing in your market. And also, you don't need to spend hours and hours every day going through every single competitor's listing to see what has changed. Helium 10 will give you all this information in the dashboard and you can analyze it all at a glance. So if you're trying to make the most of your time and use your evenings and weekends to run your business, Market Alerts will definitely save you hours upon hours of doing your own research. If you want to check out Market Alerts for yourself, click on the link in the description below and you can use my code SCOTT50 to save 50% off your first month of Helium 10. While I have you here, do me a favor and hit that like button, as it really helps the video get noticed by the YouTube algorithm and can really help the channel grow. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you catch my video next Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.